blood was magnified 1,000 times. First, a sample of blood was taken and shown to the audience. The red blood cells were stacked in a row, docile and ineffective, because there is too much fat and protein in the blood and too little oxygen and enzymes.
What we're looking at here, these are red blood cells, and they're stacked like coins right now. And what that can show is that there's undigested proteins in the blood. And again, when proteins aren't digested completely and they get out into the blood, they can surround a red blood cell, make them sticky, and when they stick together like that, the red blood cells aren't going to carry as much oxygen as they could. And so what it can indicate is not as much energy because oxygen is not being delivered. It can also indicate possible allergies.
The participants were given 3 HTN products: the assimilator, which is enzymes and minerals, the active in OPC, which is an antioxidant, and a glass of the coral calcium water. In 1 to 10 minutes, you see the difference that it makes in your blood.
10 minutes after this, another blood sample was taken. The audience gasp of surprise says it all. Just 10 minutes later, the cells are now full of oxygen. They are independent, active, and busy breaking down plaque, yeast, cholesterol, and uric acid crystals. This dramatic example has been repeated over and over again with hundreds of people throughout the country. Since Assimilator's dramatic introduction into the market in the fall of 1995, this test has been repeated many times around the country on hundreds of everyday people. Each time this test is conducted, the results are always the same: cleaner, healthier blood.
It's great to have a demonstrable product that works in just 10 minutes, and you've seen for yourself what it does.
Yeah, it works exactly the way that it says it does. And yes, you can have digestion in that shorter period of time.
Well, what you're seeing here is a live blood screening. The red blood cells become a third larger. The white blood cells increase in size 3 to 5 times, which they should be. And you see the crystalline deposits have totally fractured. You see the bad fats in the blood dissolved, and they become energy, and the balance of that becomes waste, and the body gets rid of it instead of letting it clog the arterial system. You see major energy flow around the red blood cells. They're just free-flowing when you look at this. It is so interesting to know exactly what these products do to the body, and the dark field microscope absolutely proves it. It's not maybe, it's true, it's real, it's live, it's now.